morning. My name is Sumedh Bhalera from class 6th from Carmel Convent High School, and today I am going to tell you about the subject which I have picked called the world of plastic. How is this plastic made? We breathe many gases inside of us. I know we know that we only take oxygen, but while intaking oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, argon, everything is being intaken. And when we intake that, we throw it out by our arteries, by our veins, by our heart, by our lungs. And when this carbon dioxide is thrown out, we see that if we turn this carbon dioxide into solid, it makes a rock, and that is called the carbon rock, or you could say it coal also. And when that coal or that carbon is vulcanized, it can be created into plastic. In everything we use, plastic is there. Plastic is present. Even in our toys, there is plastic. Even the screen cover of our mobile, there is plastic. Even the decorative materials in our house, it is plastic. The screen covering, the every shiny thing which you have in your house, it is made of plastic. And this plastic has two sides. This plastic is like a coin, and it has the two sides. One is the good side and one is the bad side. What are the good points of plastic? That we can use it as a small material which can carry our daily substances like our mobile, our wristwatch, our groceries, and different things. But sometimes there are some bad views of those. Like when we put food in the plastic, that food gets mixed with the chemical combination of the plastic, and when it mixes, it creates a really bad digestive thing, a digestive process for us. Because when we intake plastic, that is not at all good for our health, and that can be fatal, as only scientists, the scientific theories represent, the scientific experiments represent that if you put hot water in plastic, that plastic gets a little bit burned, and when we drink that can be fatal, as it creates cancer cells in our body. And when these cancer cells are created, our body gets destroyed, our muscle gets destroyed, we can get hair cancer, we can get blood cancer, all because of this plastic. And that is why we need to stop this plastic. And especially on Indian roads, there are a lot of cats, there are a lot of dogs, there are a lot of buffaloes and cows. And when we throw plastic here and there is some food in it. And when the cats and dogs come, they think that there is food in it and we should eat it. It is eatable. And when they eat it, that goes in their body, and their digestive system gets harmed, their rectum gets harmed, and that cannot be turned quickly into a roughage. And that becomes a stomach problem for them. That becomes very harmful, and that can be fatal for them. They can die because of that, just because of this plastic. As we put it in land, earth won't think it is food, they eat it, still the same problem. And when the last solution comes, we throw it in the water, there are still two problems. The first, we have this much amount of water on our earth. From that only 2 or 3% water is drinkable, and when we throw plastic in that also, so what will we get to drink? Already there are not enough resources for making the salty water into the good drinking potable water, and we already cannot find enough ground and ice water. So that is the problem. We should try to get away from this world of plastic, and we should stop using this plastic. To save this nature, to save these plants, we need to stop using plastic, and this is the only solution. Stop using plastic, and let's get out of this nasty world of plastic. Thank you.